Hi, good morning. How are you? I hope everybody is great. And I am Dr. Muhammad Khan. And today I am going to tell you about the health, how to cure yourself. And we'll discuss about diabetes. And you can cure yourself, your diabetes. And every day we can see the different treatment. And I want to know, you no need to go hospital. You can treatment yourself in your home, at home. If you are doing from your heart, you can learn, and you will be know. Just a second. So today I will tell you how to cure yourself, and you just think, if you follow me, you will be learn how to cure yourself, your disease. So first things, you have to change your lifestyle. You should be know what is your lifestyle. You know, you must be know what you have to eat, what you have to not eat, what good for your body, what not good for your body. If these things you don't know, you never cure your diabetes. You are eating oily food. You cannot eat oily food. Because why? Because you know this is the refined oil. Refined oil, you know, the making with the 12 chemical. You cannot eat that one. Number 2, the sugar. You cannot eat sugar because there are also 24 chemical. So you cannot eat. And the rice, because the rice is not from farmer. There's processor food, the making from the factory with the chemical. So if you eat like this food, your diabetes, not only diabetes, cholesterol, BP, this everything, high BP, high sugar, everything will be one family. So if you want to cure yourself, you should be, you know, how your day going. When you wake up morning, you should be how to drink warm water, one glass warm water every morning you have to drink. When you wake up, after drink water, then you have to go in the toilet, because when you drink the water, because whatever your food will become inside the soap, your digestion, so you will be go toilet, your stomach will be clean. Number 2, when you come back, you make your daily in your life, have drink ginger tea, called ginger tea. Ginger tea, you know, ginger is folic acid. This good for the woman, good for your period, good for your blood circulation, good for antibiotic, because this is the painkiller. You know, this is so many benefit, maybe 72 million nutrition is there. So if you keep in your life the ginger, you know, your life is 90% is cure. And we will discuss next video about the pregnancy, very important, this ginger. Who is the pregnant woman and who have the in period. So the ginger is, you know, lot of cure. So we will talk the next video, but today I am talking about the diabetes. So who have diabetes, so morning, so how to make the ginger tea, or maybe you see the In Tagalog, there's the Madam Miss the Jain. He make the one video in Tagalog. You can see that one. She showing how to make, and you will be know. So you will be learn how she is making, and this is very benefit. And just boil one cup of water, and 1 inch ginger you crush and put inside. Then boil. Then half lemon, or if you have lemon, okay. If you don't have lemon, calamansi you can use. In your place is lot of calamansi, so you can use calamansi, and half calamansi, and whatever you have lemon, half lemon. Don't put the seed, throw seed, and put the lemon juice and the skin with the skin, if it's the clean. Then boil it well, and if you have honey, you can use honey. Because if you have diabetes, you cannot use sugar. You have jaggery, you can put jaggery. Or if you have organic salt, you can put organic salt, pink salt. In mall you can get. So you boil it and just drink sip by sip, and you see your body in have gas, you have chest paining, you have your chest burning, your food not digestion, everything will be fine coming, and you will sleep well. You have blood circulation, you don't have any allergy, any itching, any stomach paining, any stomach problem, you don't have acidic. So you try that one, and after that you can eat fruits until 12, any kind fruit. Any fruits you love you can eat, but don't eat big quantity. You have to eat any, just like you eat one apple, after half an hour one banana, little grapes, like this, little you can eat. Then 1 o'clock you are going to eat food. So what you have to do that time should be, you have to make salad, any kind of salad, whatever you get, the living food. You have any kind, green leaves or any green vegetable, or tomato, cabbage, lettuce, whatever you have, carrot, you can make the salad. And you can make depend to your weight. Example, you have 80 kilo, you make 80 times 5. So that much you have 80 times 5. So that much, or 80 times 10, that much you have to eat fruits. And 80 divided by 5, how much, that much you have to eat the salad. So first you have to eat the salad, then finish salad, then you have to eat your food, then you have to eat your food. Before finish salad, you don't touch your food. And before you eat, you don't drink water same time, drink water and then you start food. No. 40 minutes before you have to drink water. How much you can drink? 1 glass, 2 glass, no problem. After 40 minutes, you can eat your food. When you are eat food, don't drink water between food. So when finish your food, you can drink. If you feel thirsty or something, you can drink juice or buttermilk, yogurt, no problem. And second things, you have to wait for 1.5 hours. Finish your food. After 1.5 hours, you can drink water. Before you want to drink, you cannot wait. Then you put lemon, calamansi, put, and you can drink. So you will see in 24 hours or 72 hours in you see the diabetes will come level, reverse your diabetes. And after that, evening, your eating should be before 6 o'clock food. Same, you have to eat before salad. You eat salad or green juice, whatever else. Or what you don't find the salad, you have moringa. Lot of moringa in Philippines. You can make juice, that one, moringa juice. and I will tell you how to you cook the rice next video. So if you are cook everybody the rice that type, you never get any problem, never get any disease. You wait for my next video, we will discuss how to cook the rice. If you cook my way the rice, you don't have any problems. Even sugar people can eat rice. Even your whole family can eat rice, but you are cooking the rice the wrong way. That's why you have blood pressure, high BP, cholesterol, everything is there. Thyroid, diabetes, lot of things is there, breast cancer. So why they are coming? This disease all because you are eating wrong food. The best things, make your medicine to food. Don't make medicine to food. Make your food to medicine. Don't make medicine to food. Remember that. If you want healthy, you come healthy, you will be change your life, change your style life. So you will become great. The percussion is the better than cure. So if you are know how to make your lifestyle, how don't think about the stomach, think about your body. Your body have power, your high immunity is strong. Your body don't have power, your immunity is very weak. You will get virus, you will get corona, whatever else. So I hope you are understand. Then let's go about now lunch finish. We'll go about the dinner. Dinner you should have to eat before sleeping 3 hours. Example, you are sleeping 10 o'clock, should be your 6 o'clock finish your dinner. After 6 o'clock you are eating, that not coming digestion, your sugar will be go high. So that also you have to eat same. You have to eat salad or green juice before your food. Okay? Then after 1 hour or 1.5 hour, minimum 1 hour, must be 1.5 hour, but less than 1 hour you can drink water. So when you are sleeping, so must be before sleeping 3 hours you have to have your dinner. So and you want to make this, do not need any medicine, just your food is your medicine. You try, you will be know about 24 hours in you, how is your sugar level, your BP is normal. I tell you are see, if you go any doctor, doctor not better than you, because your body, you are the one doctor. Your body, you are the one doctor. What you are feeling, that things doctor cannot feel. They will give you always the painkiller. So don't use the chemical medicine, use this natural, because I am naturopathic doctor. All I am telling from the nature things. I never telling chemical medicine. You can cure yourself and you can cure your family. Any diabetes you can cure your home, at home. Your home is you make the hospital. No need to go any hospital if you are cure yourself. And be safe, be healthy, be care. And first, and one things, if you want to come healthy, you should be, don't come yourself selfish. Don't come your selfish, must be help. You say, God what saying? I am on mercy. God saying, I give mercy on you. You give mercy on them. Must be, if you help someone, you feel so happy. That's why I saying it is my my life is, everybody. It is objective of my life to help others. When I help others, I feel so happy. Do good, get good. So God saying, don't come selfish, help others, so you will get great. So today is, I think, enough. We'll talk the next video, and take care. Have a great day. See you next time.